So here is the broken truck or axle. Looked like it broke right where the bolts go through. Here's the side that broke off. So there's 4 bolts still in it, but I just turned on the board to make sure both wheels were still working so they could just send me a new truck, and pulled the trigger now. This wheel is moving, but this wheel is not. Oh, stop. It just started. There must be a short here. Here, let's do it this way. Oh, now the wheel is moving, but it wasn't a minute ago. Very strange. I wonder if that's just shorted out from getting pulled on this cable here. Okay, stop. Thank you, Sam. Alright, so both motors are still working, but it wasn't a minute ago. It must just be a short where this connects here or where this connects in here. Alright, thanks.